Hi, my name's Paul Coupland and I'm the machine shop manager here at Trident Engineering. This month we're talking about the collaboration between our shop floor and our production engineering department. Knowing your weaknesses is your greatest strength, but being able to identify your own weaknesses before they appear is what we all strive for. As a company, we're always looking how we can make the next step. We identified areas where we could improve the flow of work throughout the programming phase to the first off phase. So what we did is we created a new role of production technicians. This enabled us to pull the two departments closer together. The candidates were chosen mainly because of their CNC experience. Both candidates, John and Gavin, many years experience on our CNC machinery and a wealth of experience in terms of just general engineering, which made them ideal people.
My name is John Clover. My role within Trident is that I am a senior production engineering technician. My role involves programming from CAD models and also proving the first offs on the machines. I feel that this role benefits myself because it is a role that I've always been interested in, and it also benefits Trident from the many years experience I can bring in trying to be efficient in the use of tools and the machinery available. I feel that this shared role that myself and Gavin have undertaken benefits us both, as where we are now seeing behind the scenes and learning the CAD work and seeing and being more involved. I also feel that this benefits Trident as we are now in a dual role where we actually, our experience goes onto the shop floor and our machining experience comes into the office when we are programming the components.
Thank you very much for your time.